Scenario 2. Green engineering. It is a smart city focused on high sustainability in several areas, including climate and pollution monitoring, promoting green living, energy efficiency, and reducing waste. First, the noise sensor detects the current noise pollution index in the city. It is shown on the screen to remind citizens. Second, climate information. Temperature, humidity, and raindrop. It is recorded by temperature and humidity sensor and raindrop sensor on the top of the building. This information will be uploaded to IoT platform ThingSpeak. It is used to evaluate the risk of climate crisis in the future. Third, the right corner is designed as a green area, a playground. To reduce the electricity, motion sensors is used to detect if the people are using the playground. If they are, the LED light will be turned on. Fourth, another green area is a hanging garden. A clothes rack is installed. It is controlled by the IFTTT cloud. The rack is opened by current weather conditions. Now, the weather is clear. When it changes to rain, it will be opened. Lastly, a garbage disposal system is used to estimate the waste of the city. Distance sensor estimate the amount of garbage and indicate the status by multicolor LED. Now the LED is red, it means the garbage bin is full.